Hello everyone, good evening, it's Lisa at DIY Living by Lisa Lindsay. How is everybody? A lot of work today, I have some new stuff that comes in, so I hope that you will join me and see what it is. And then that way you can grab yours before they sell out, because we would not want you to miss out, would we? Really quick glancing through this and show you, and then hopefully if you're interested in them, you can grab them over at DIYLivingByLisaLindsay.com. So easy to remember, it's the name of my page. Okay. I grabbed one of Magnolia's spray bottles because, like I told my team, I was really tired of just using that little small one from Dollar Tree, and I kept having to fill it up with distilled water. So I decided to go ahead and go with one of their spring bottles because I've gotten a lot of feedback from other fellow crafters and that does Magnolia, and they said that they love it. So I decided to go ahead and grab it while I could. So got my little spritz bottle for my stencils and whatever else I might need. I have the most adorable farmhouse, ladies. I guess I need to flip my phone so you guys can see this, right? Okay, there we go. But other than that, we're doing good. We have the farmhouse words. I'm so in love with these, and I want to show you an idea. Dollar Tree right now, I found them this week, or last week when I was there, and I grabbed probably about 4 or 5 of them, but I probably should go back more and get more. But in my Plant City area, they have these little tags wood already set up that would be perfect for this, that you can do DIYs with, and you know, whatever words that you're wanting to use. So that's from Dollar Tree. They have those little wood pieces. All right, and then you can grab, like I said, the words and inexpensively make a DIY with it or gift, because believe it or not, even though we're hitting fall, some of us are probably even thinking about Christmas already, because Christmas is in the stores. Can you believe it? It is. All right, I grabbed the 18-inch. This is great for a door hanger, or it would be great to do a tier tray, because you could have this as your bottom, or a Lazy Susan, and then get one of our bigger, you haven't seen this one yet, this one, the Farmhouse Windmill. That would look so adorable. Stencil that on the bottom. Get yourself a nice big candelabra that's tall enough, and then on the top of it you could put another one of their surfaces that's a little bit smaller and they're white, and then you could stencil something inside of that. Would be like a farmhouse thing if you wanted to do like words. Their chicken, they have the chicken rooster and the cow that are stackable. That would be really cute that you could put on the top of it. It would be just amazing. You guys are so sweet to me. Thank you so much. So this is also part of Magnolia that you could grab, and it's called the Windmill. It's an 18 by 18, and then this surface right here is an 18 round, so it would fit perfect for this, okay? But so would this gorgeous lemon one. I grabbed 2 of these because I'm hoping to make some pillows, maybe a few towels, maybe a few other things as well that I wanted to do. So the lemon is in, it's brand spanking new, and I'm so in love. But it's called the Lemon Pattern. It's a 15 by 15. So if you need to know all of that, that's what it is. The ones that came out, they're called the Summer Minis. So cute, aren't they? So I did get these. I use the minis on so many things. Okay. I finally, these always sell out before I can get them. Getting the Blessed, I finally was able to get that one because I wanted to make a cute little sign with that one. Yeah, my husband's not so crazy about short hair now that my hair is long. And my son loves my hair being longer, because believe it or not, one of my favorite things our son likes to do, and he did it even when he was a small toddler and a baby, and I'll continue on with this. But when he was a toddler and a baby, especially when he was eating, breastfeeding, or whenever he was, you know, a sippy cup as a toddler, he loved to take his hair and my hand, get my finger, gracious, get my words out. Take his hands through my hair. And for some reason, he would sit there and he would just twist it with his fingers like this. All the time. He would just love to play with my hair. And even now, if we're relaxing on the couch together, if we're laying where we're like snuggling somewhat like a, mother and son does, he'll want to take and do the same thing with my hair. He wants to twiddle it in his fingers. I'm like, what is up with that? So it must be something he just does. Your sons did the same thing, Pam? That is crazy. I thought it was only me. All right, so anyhow, back to this. The fresh flower truck. I may not use the flowers on the back of it, but I love these little mini trucks. I put one on a pumpkin last year that was a green because I made the color of green on the pumpkin. I'm so in love with these. I'm still loving the trucks. Is anybody else still loving the trucks, or I'm just a loner? Tell me. Do you like them too? And this one says, beauty is in the moment you decide to be yourself. Amen, girls. We need this one as a reminder. I'm going to put that one in front of my mirror or near my bathroom every morning so I can look at it. Again, I just grabbed 2 of these lemon stencils because, girl, you know I love my stencils. I just do. And back to this. The welcome. This is new and I wanted to try it out. I thought this would look really cute. I saw Crystal do a DIY with this as a welcome sign on this really big surface right here, and she made it for the front door with some real pretty greenery that she added on it with a few lemons, and I thought that would be really, really precious. So I did get that so I can make a welcome sign, and I'm going to give my hand at it and I'll show you in a second. But I grabbed this because I want to do some DIYs for my husband and for my dad and for my brother. They're all hunters and fishermen, so I was going to do something kind of cute for them with these. Okay. This one I'm in love with because sunflowers are back again this year for late summer, early fall. But when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. This would look really pretty on one of those long, oblong, like sofa pillows. Would be really, really cute, especially for the fall, I think. Okay. These are the summertime minis again. The reason I got extra of those is because I was going to be gifting them out to a few people. And then I grabbed this one because Father's Day is right around the corner, and I'm probably going to do something for my dad to do with this because it says dad jokes thrown with the toilet paper. You know, that's really a joke right there, you know. I don't need to say any more about that. I love this. I wasn't able to grab it the first time, but it's the Pledge of Allegiance 8.5 by 11. It is new, but I thought this would look gorgeous, especially if I choose to do something kind of primitive with it or rustic. And it could be something I can do year round as well because I grew up saying the Pledge of Allegiance. One I wanted to tie-dye shirt with, I picked up, believe it or not, Dollar Tree has tie-dye kits. I picked up a few of them when I was there. They had a red, a blue, and a purple. So I want to make a tie-dye shirt, and I want to use this stencil to do it with. I think would look so stinking cute. This is part of the big welcome. I'm going to get a piece of wood, a long one for the porch setter, so that I can change it out. I'm finally going to try doing one of the very big stencils, the welcome sign that sits on the front porch. I've not done it yet. Every time I try to go get one, they were sold out. This time I was lucky enough to snatch it before it got sold out. So, you know, you have your pumpkin for the fall, or you can do your leaf for the fall. You can do your snowflake for the Christmas time, or the sleigh with the presents. And then also we have the little deer, the reindeer right there, or we have Santa. So we have those. here's the welcome sign. So I'm gonna do the welcome sign. I think there's two portions to that I'm gonna show you. But I grabbed this for a reason. I'm not gonna do any more spring DIYs, but I love the wreath. So what I was gonna do is for summer, they have all of these little flowers that are down here that you can layer over the top of this and build. So I thought it would look really cute for the summer if I wanted to do some bright pinks and bright yellows, something like that if I wanted to for the summer to make it look really cute. And then for fall, I can use these leaves and I can change out the color of these flowers, and I can do like that navy blue with a rust orange. I think would look really pretty, and maybe even yellows. And if that's not the colors you want to do, then you can do other colors like maroons and browns. Sky's the limit. So even though it says spring, you don't have to do spring, okay? These I grabbed because I have so many rolling pins, and these are perfect for the rolling pins. But they're Farmhouse words, so they're called Rolling Pins Farmhouse 12-pack. And I was going to be putting a few kits together, and I was going to be adding these in with my rolling pins that I have and putting those online. But I also was going to be doing a few DIYs with them as well. So the words on there are Amen, Welcome, Vintage, Shiplap, Cottage, Country, Farm, Sweet Farm, Antiques, General Store, Farmers Market, Made with Love, and Farmhouse. And I love them. Now, these also would be really cute to me with these frames that they have right here. Like for instance, if you wanted to make this little frame right here, you could take your own little words from in here if you wanted to and make your own little sign that could say like welcome, farmers market, or welcome to my farmhouse. Or you can just put 3 words in there that you really like that represents, you know, like farmhouse, like farm, sweet farm, shiplap, vintage, whatever it is. You can put those words in there too. I thought would be really cute and just do something different. So that's an idea, along with some embellishments that you can do. And then one of my most favorites I grabbed several of them, was this. I love these little popsicles. These popsicles are so fun. I want to do this honestly on a t-shirt. I think would be really cute. Maybe like an ombre red, white, and blue. Or summertime colors. You know, sky's the limit. Just put your imagination together. And I did grab also their Burlap garden flag. You get 2 of them in a pack when you order from their store. So I grabbed that, but I'm very curious as to what's in this big one. So we're gonna open it up together. So let me open this up real quick. So you get the welcome sign, check that out, but you also get this behind it. These stencils smell so good to me. I know, I could be sniffing them. I know it's crazy. Anyhow, you can change out for the seasons. So you saw that I let you see the pumpkins, the sleigh, the Santa, the reindeer, the leaves, all the fall stuff. For this is like everyday decor. So you have like the Farmhouse Windmill here. You have a little wreath right here that can be everyday. You have a ship wheel, and then you have the heart for Valentine's Day. So that's it. And I think even though this says welcome, you can also use the word home, because here's HOME. Yep, you can use the word home to make a stencil with that. So you can make several different DIYs with this. Look, you can use the word welcome, okay? And you can choose to take out the O and put in the wreath if you want to. Or you can take that out, and whatever season it is, you can make it one that's seasonable. I just showed you the other ones, right? Do I need to go through and try to find them again? Here they are. So wherever the O is, then you can put in your leaf instead if it's for fall, or you can put in your pumpkin instead for fall, all right? Same thing with home, because you have the word H-O-M-E. So you can take the O out, you can put the pumpkin in, or you can take the O out, put the leaf in, take the O out, put the snowflake in, all of these options. And then you can also do the same thing with spell the word love, because here's L-O, here's B, and here's E. So then if you spell love, that also means that you love the season. So you either love Christmas, so you can put the snowflake in the O, because you love Christmas, represents Christmas, or Santa Claus, because it represents Santa Claus, Christmas, or the sleigh, or the reindeer. You love fall, so you can put in your leaf where the O is instead of put the word love, and then the pumpkin, or you can just do every day. So if you use the word love, you can put in your farmhouse little windmill. You can use your heart if you choose to for Valentine's Day, and then you can use your wreath for every day. So yes, so there's a lot of options. So I can see at least 3 at the least of DIYs that you can do with these. I love that idea. So there's that. Cute, 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 cute. So this right here is the words that has love in it. I think somebody was asking about love. So you can use the word love like the one I just showed you. And they also have this love stencil, which I did on the background of this anchor right here. And I did this wreath for less than $5 because this is one of those plastic wreaths that I just cut it apart and then placed it in here. That is a piece of cardboard. See that? And then I just stenciled the word love on it, but I painted it red first. And then this is a Dollar Tree. The anchor is a Dollar Tree. The rope is Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree. The only thing that was not Dollar Tree was the paste, the paint, and my fabric scrap bow. Everything else, including the wreath itself, the wire wreath, was also Dollar Tree. So it was really inexpensive to do, right? I love you ladies. I appreciate all your support every possible way. And I'm gonna go join my family so I can eat some dinner, and then I'm gonna come back to work. So, good night.